Hi, I'm Yaswanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to give away a 60-page ebook of digital marketing. So if you're someone who want to learn digital marketing, or if you're someone who's searching for resources on digital marketing, then this video is for you. So I'm giving away a 60-page free ebook on digital marketing. So you can get that for free by doing only 4 steps. The first thing is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment under the video like why you need this ebook. Just comment in a line like I need this ebook for so and so reason, and once after commenting out, you can find the link in the description. So yeah, the first 3 steps are like, if you can do me, that helped me a lot. So I'm giving it for free, so you can utilize this, and you can download the book by clicking the link in the description, and you can just download it easily. So I hope it will be helpful for you. It's a 60-page ebook which contains everything about digital marketing. It covers every type of digital marketing and techniques and tools, and also some tips on how to be successful on digital marketing. You'll get everything there. So I hope it will be useful for you. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.